Hi, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Whether you're a die-hard or a beginner anime fan like me, you'll be thrilled to know that you can actually turn your love for anime into some extra cash. That's right, in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 anime fan side hustles that will allow you to indulge in your otaku passion while making money. So grab your favorite flavor of Bucky, because here we go! Number 5, anime blogging. If you're a wordsmith and love sharing your thoughts on different anime series, characters, and trends, starting an anime blog could be your perfect side hustle. Share your reviews and opinions while monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 4, cosplay creations. Got some crafty skills? Creating and selling cosplay costumes, accessories, and props can be incredibly rewarding. Whether it's your favorite character's sword or a complete costume, fellow fans are always on the lookout for authentic pieces. Number 3, translation services. Are you bilingual? Offer your language skills by translating anime subtitles, manga, and fan content. You'll bridge language gaps and cater to a global audience of anime lovers. Number 2, anime artistry. If you have artistic talent, channel it into creating anime-inspired fan art. You can sell prints, digital downloads, or even take commissions for custom pieces. It's a great way to showcase your creativity while earning money. Number 1, merchandise reselling. Collect official anime merchandise and sell it online. Platforms like eBay or Etsy can help you reach a wide audience while you make a profit from your treasure trove of anime goodies. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 animated fan side hustles that can turn your passion into profit. Whether you're blogging, crafting, translating, or cosplaying, there's a side hustle for every type of anime enthusiast. Which one caught your attention? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to Detroit smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.